tuhostingira abazire kandi twineho academic assessment day. Then on such a day ntoreka exhibitions nare bintu by'abeje bakushoma mu karasi right from nursery up to P7. So mwija kutunga chance yo kureba exhibitions zitu on different tables from P1 up to P7. Abana bakwereka ebintu okuba bishomere, bakwereka experiments ebikwatirana na academic.
Air is a mixture of gases. Gases are made up of air like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and rare gases. They also have uses like air is used for breathing, supports burning. Air is used to put off fire. For example, dear parents, the air which is supporting burning is oxygen. Cover the candle and wait for some minutes. The candle, I also have an experiment to show that air exerts pressure. Things needed: fill a glass cup with water. Then cover the glass cup with a card paper. Turn the glass cup upside down. This shows that air exerts pressure. I also have an experiment to show that air occupies space. Things needed: basin with water and empty glass. Turn the empty glass upside down and lower it into water. Tilt the glass cup slightly. The air bubbles are seen, which shows that air occupies space. I also have an experiment to show that air has weight. Things needed: beam balance balloons. Tie the balloon on each side of the beam balance. The balloon with air moves downwards to show that it is heavier. Dear parents, thank you for listening to me.
Okay, thank you too.
You are welcome.
Of the body parts. Eyes for seeing. This is our seeing. Nose for smelling. This is our smelling. Mouth for talking. This is our talking. Arms for touching. This is our touching. Legs for walking. This is our walking. Ears for hearing. This is our hearing. Toes for sitting. This is our sitting. Comb our hair by using the comb. body using the soap and the sponge and water. We use Vaseline also. This is the hard water. This is the hard soap. This is the hard Vaseline. Thanks for sending me to me.
You are welcome, our visitors. My name is Teacher Kenneth. I am in primary 2. I request to teach you about counting beads on the abacus. When counting beads on the abacus, we start from the right hand side going to the left hand side. On the right hand side, begin with ones, tens, hundreds. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. When pressing beads on the abacus,
You do that.
pressing beads under tens, we have 1, 2, 3. Under hundreds, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can take the number 432. Dear parents, thank you for listening to me.
Begin.
Welcome, our dear parents. My name is Teacher Elizabeth. I am in primary 4 class. I would like to share with you a topic. This is a bucket. It is used for having big. It is used for digging and weeding. This is a fork toe. It is used for digging in stony areas. This is a slasher. It is used for slashing tall grass. This is a secateur. It is used for pruning. This is a panga. It is used for cutting small trees. This is a knife. It is used for peeling. The following are the ways of caring for garden tools. We care for garden tools by keeping you.
Welcome, our beloved parents. My name is Asimwedes. I am in primary 5 class. Is the extraction of fish from water bodies. Dear parent, let me tell you places where fish can be caught in Uganda, and they include lakes, Dear parents, allow me to tell you how we can preserve our fish from going bad. And we have by sorting. You get this sort your fish. We have by sun drying. Now outside there is sun. You put fish right on this plate, take it and sun dry it. And sun drying is the cheapest method of preserving fish, because it does not even take a single coin. Dear parent, allow me to use fish species caught in most lakes and rivers of Uganda, and they include silverfish, the smallest fish caught in Uganda. We have tilapia fish caught. This one is commonly caught in most lakes and rivers of Uganda, and the importance of this fish is used in making some animal feeds now, like here, and it is eaten as food. Sort get money. Dear parent, allow me to show you how we can get fish from water bodies, and this is the basket, and it is used in getting fish from lakes, ponds, and swamps. This method is called by using fishing baskets. You get the grass, press it here. After pressing it here, lower it into water. As you lower it into water, fish comes as it enters. It tries to come out of the basket. As it's trying to come out of the basket, it expands its wing, it expands its gears, and it first passes through this basket. And we have another method called using fishing hooks, and another one using fishing nets. Dear parents, thank you for listening to me. May God bless you.
Thank you.
are welcome, our beloved parent. My name is Atushka Arishi. I'm here to Rubindi Parents Primary School. I am in primary 5 class. I would like to share with you about a water cycle. A water cycle is a process by which rain is formed. It involves different processes. 1. Transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which plants lose water to the atmosphere through the stomata. It also involves evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which water turns into vapor. It also involves condensation. Condensation is the process by which water vapor changes into liquid. About transpiration, here we have our leaf. Inside this leaf, there are some holes called stomata. You cannot see them with your naked eyes. These stomata allow transpiration to take place. As you are seeing here, we have our experiment. This top represents the sun. This Kato represents the water body. The sun hits the water body to evaporate. After evaporating, the water vapor rises up and forms clouds. After forming clouds will turn to me. May God bless you.
Our beloved visitors, this is Rubindi Parents Primary School. My name is Akani Dadaren. I'm from Primary 7, and I would like to show you an illustration about our first topic in Primary 7 called physical features. Physical features are landforms of an area, and we have two types of physical features. We have relief features and drainage features. Relief features are features that are identified according to their altitude. Examples are plateaus, there are hills, there are mountains and rift valleys, and many others. We have all other types of physical features. We have drainage features. Drainage features are features that contain water in them, and examples are lakes, rivers, oceans, seas, and many more. And I would like to first talk about a plateau. Our first theme that we talked about when we were studying about physical relief features. A plateau is a raised, flat-topped piece of land, and there are many activities carried out in such areas. There is farming, there is crop cultivation, tourism, there are floods, soil erosion, there is drought, and many other problems. And there are ways how we can control such problems. There is by planting more trees, there is by afforestation, reforestation, and many other ways that we can conserve the environment. It's the same way relief features like mountains. We have very many types of mountains in Africa. We have block mountains, volcanic mountains, and fold mountains. In Uganda, we only have block mountains and volcanic mountains. Example, the only block mountain in Uganda is Mountain Rwenzori, while others are volcanic mountains like Mount Elgon, Mount Mfumbira, Mount Murata, Mount Zulia, and many others. And I would like to talk about a mountain. A mountain, there are very many activities also carried out on mountains. There is tourism, there is rock climbing, and many other activities. And there are also problems. First, these people who live on mountains, there are very cold conditions, there are landslides, soil erosion, poor transport and communication. But there are also solutions to above problems. By constructing winding roads, as illustrated here, and also rearing donkeys, solve the problem of poor transport. There is also planting trees to solve the problem of landslides, because plant roots hold the soil firmly to control landslides. And we have other features, but these ones will be drainage features. We have a river. So a river is a large mass of flowing water that is flowing in one direction. We have rivers. We have from the largest freshwater lake, which is from the largest freshwater lake in Africa, the whole world, which is also in our dear land called Lake Victoria. So even there are all other lakes like man-made lakes and Lake Victoria. There are like Nassau that originates from the Aswan High Dam from its construction. There are also, besides the physical features, also studied about vegetation. Vegetation is the plant cover of an area. And we have two types of vegetation activities. There are human activities like deforestation, bush burning, overgrazing that destroy the environment, and there are others that conserve the environment like afforestation, reforestation, and many others. So I would like to encourage the people that we should conserve our environment, because some human activities which discourage the conservation of vegetation lead to many problems like drought, desertification, there is global warming, and many others. So I would like to encourage people to conserve the environment to prevent the above problems, and knowing the importance about it, have life without these problems of drought and global warming. And I really thank you for listening to us.